Hi everyone, so I'm going to try and simplify the process of the B cell activation. So first, a couple of things I think are key to remember is that B cells are made in the bone marrow, so B and B on those test questions, and T cells are produced in bone marrow, but will move to the thymus to mature, so T and T on those ones. All right, so there's a couple of ways that this happens. One way is when a T helper cell is involved and it releases cytokines to activate the B cell. The other way is what I'm going to kind of focus on, which I've tried to break down for you. So here we go. The B cells protect our body when a virus invades, so it has a specific key on it. The B cell is kind of like the detective that has a matching receptor. That's kind of like its lock. So once the virus and the B cell connect, the lock is opened and the B cell becomes activated. The B cell will then multiply rapidly, with its new cells differentiating into plasma cells or memory B cells. The plasma cells will start producing antibodies, which will act like heat-seeking missiles, and their mission is going to be to seek and destroy that virus. These antibodies are like flags that mark the invader, making it easier for other immune cells to see it and help out. So essentially, it's marked for destruction. Additionally, B cells can be antigen-presenting cells when they bind to and phagocytize the foreign invader, aka that pathogen. So they will then present part of it on its surface to alert the troops of this foreign pathogen, this invader that they want to be marked. So thanks to B cells, our bodies can quickly eliminate the invader and help us stay healthy. And then memory B cells, they have a great memory, so they're going to remember this invader for future battles because they're part of our adaptive immune response team. So they have learned from this experience and they're going to know how to react when they encounter this situation again. So I think some key points to remember are that B cells are going to be made in the bone marrow. They can activate in a few different ways. One is with the help of those T helper cells and the cytokines that they present. The other is by direct interaction with the pathogen. And then they differentiate, they become plasma cells or memory cells. The plasma cells are what makes the antibodies. And then they can also be antigen presenting cells where they're kind of waving their trophy around after they gobble it up, letting everybody know like, hey, here's this invader and I'm doing my job. Okay, so thanks for listening. I hope one of these images helps this process make a little bit more sense to you. Thanks for listening. Have a great week and happy studying.